Take a look at my Phantom wallet. $3.5 million all from launching meme coins. No hype, no luck, just a repeatable system. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how it all works. I used to spend nights glued to charts buying into coins that looked ready to moon. But the second I got into a meme coin, the devs completely dumped the coin and my whole balance got drained. The real edge is in launching. When you launch a coin, you are the one writing the rules, you own the liquidity, the supply, and the whole narrative. You are not following hype, you are actually building your own hype. Launching costs you nothing, but the trading guarantees you'll lose. With Bitcoin at all-time highs and Solana exploding, there's no better time to start launching than right now. And also, by the way, this video is made for entertainment purposes only and it's all educational, so please do not replicate what I do into this video. Everyone flocks to Pump.Fun to launch coins because it does look simple, but it's overcrowded. A non-stop flood of coins that never get noticed. And when you launch a coin there, you don't even manage your own liquidity. But if you go to create tokens.io, your token launches straight onto Raydium. It migrates instantly and is live for buyers in seconds. That means faster traction, more visibility, and more fucking profits in their pocket. Create tokens.io is the play. Now on create tokens.io, launching is easy, and you've got two routes. First, create from scratch. So find a narrative people are already buzzing and talking about. Then I would highly recommend to go on Twitter to find these. Then come back to the site, name it, symbol, and upload a quick 128 by 128 image, and then hit next and you are done. But the second method is my favorite one and the one that prints the fastest, the copy trending coins tab. It posts coins already moving traffic on Pump.Fun. With one click, you copy launches on Raydium, instantly visible to buyers, and since you are stepping into existing hype, you get instant buyers and bigger profits without guessing. The copy trending coins tab is the play. Alright, let's make this real. We're launching a coin right now, so make sure to follow along. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website, then refresh list, and we're gonna copy a coin that looks decent. It could be literally anything. I'm gonna go with the Timmy coin. It's a cat, it has a last buy 12 seconds ago, and a 31k market cap. So crit coin, and then ignore the warning and just go through it. So proceed, continue, understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied. Just be patient for a couple seconds. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is super simple. We're adding liquidity so the token can be bought and sold instantly on Raydium. Now for the amount token A, just do 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. For the amount token B, this is basically your own first buy. You are not losing money here. The minimum is 0.3 SOL and you'll get right back when you pull out the liquidity later. So the minimum is 0.3 SOL. I'm going to put 0.35 Solana. Click on create pool and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Timmy coin is now live. Our PNL is at $0. Now if you do click on refresh, now we're up $170, which means people are buying our coin. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for you guys. Now all you have to do from now on is just sit back, watch the chart fucking pump, and just rack in all the profits. I'm gonna be right back when the time is right, so please enjoy the show. It would take only a couple seconds. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like the coin is fucking insane. It's really bullish. 2000 in liquidity. I think right now it's a good time to, make some money. So come back to createtokens.io. Then first of all, click on refresh. And now we're up $1.7 thousand, which means right now is my cue to make some money. So click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. And now as you can see, click on confirm, and boom, that's exactly how you launch a coin and make a lot of fucking money. If I open my Phantom wallet for fucking proof, boom, $1.7 thousand straight inside my wallet.